deer?
Oh my god, with 2 babies!
Oh my goodness. Look at the rock over there. Oh, that's more pretty right there.
Look how pretty this is, guys. Cave of the Winds.
Look at that canyon.
Really cool. Okay, we're going to the Cave of the Winds. We have a tour scheduled at 10:40, and the tours last like 45 minutes to an hour. They said the inside of the cave is 54 degrees. Wow. This is really pretty. And these things compressed and compressed over millions of years until eventually all of it became limestone, sedimentary rock. And limestone will be all around us inside the cave here, so remember that. But then about 70 million years ago, some tectonic plate shifting happened. That moved the earth around, actually forced some of that ground upwards, which caused our mountains right here. But it also caused some cracks in the ground. Now these cracks, we still have them in our cave today, which sounds like a bad thing. It's actually great though. We call them lifelines because they help our cave grow. They bring life to our cave. Inside this cave, so if at any point for any reason you feel like you need to leave, that's totally okay. Just come let me know. I can call an escort and they'll come in here and get you out of here safely and pretty quickly. And you can remember that name, stalactites, because they always hang tightly to the ceiling. And then down below, like that one over there, that's a stalagmite. And stalagmites are always lower, usually on the ground. So if you're not looking, you just stalagmite trip over one of these, which you will remember if that happens. Now all cave formations form from mineral water. It's called a column, and it forms in a stalactite, stalagmite, grow so far that they meet in the middle and become one. Now up top here, you'll see these stalactites and kind of a curvature on the ceiling here. It looks like a shark's mouth to us, so we called it Jaws. Now over here, do you all see that number 7 hanging from the ceiling? Yeah, we call that Guy's lucky number 7. This formation is called a heleftite, and scientists don't know how they form. This is cave onyx. Then it just hits a wall with all that pressure and all that speed. It didn't have anywhere to go, right? I mean, this used to just be a wall through and through. So it hit and had nowhere to go, tried to go up, maybe with all that momentum, but couldn't. And it would keep on doing that over and over again, hitting and trying to go up until eventually it actually just formed the cave upwards. About a candle, that's all they had. And when they were far enough in that they couldn't see any more natural light from the outside, of course what happened was that howling wind picked up again, and it blew out their family.
Falls, Midnight Falls, and Inspiration Point. And if you can get up there, guys, it is like Shangri-La. It really is. It's beautiful up there. So this waterfall we're going to go see today is 224 feet high. So if you can climb those stairs, there's 224 steps as well. You can go do those hiking trails, and they are spectacular. If you like walking through thick forest, these are the hiking trails for you guys. Oh, a deer right in front of us, guys. Wow, this could not be better, dude.
I should have brought the lights.
Yeah. Check it out. Where there's one, there's always two.
There's another one right there on the left. There's one.
Really? Right here. Yeah.
All right. We just took the shuttle over to Seven Falls, Broadmoor Seven Falls. It's 254 feet high, and it does allow swimming here.
Okay.
It's very pretty.
This rock is awesome.
Oh, it's so pretty. Here's the Pillars of Hercules. It's 790 feet high and 41 feet wide. Yeah.
Just a,
I love all these pine trees. They're so pretty. It is so beautiful here. Broadmoor Seven Falls. The views are stunning. And we haven't even got to the falls yet. Little food truck up there. That's Half Dome up there. And somewhere up this area is Wrestling Bears. Eagle's Nest viewing platform. Well, let's take the elevator up to the Eagle's Nest. So this is the Eagle's Nest. We took the elevator rather than the stairs. It's pretty. There's the elevator. We were at the Eagle's Nest.
Bueno, sale, entonces bájate. Bueno, bájate, pues, bájate. Toma el lado. I'm gonna stay down here and watch them.
It's like 96 today. We live at sea level. And we're at a higher elevation, so it's tiring us out even more. So I'll let the family go. It's much easier to watch them than to go. But this is really pretty. Now the shuttle bus guy had said that you can like swim in the waterfall or something. I don't see down here any place where you could do that. So I don't know if maybe you get to the top and you can do that. But I haven't read any place where you could do it either. So I'm not real sure what he was saying because I don't see any place where you could do that at. So I guess maybe come and bring your swimsuit if you want, and hopefully they'll allow you and you'll be able to. We didn't come prepared because I didn't know that you could do that. But it is beautiful here. It's just very, very hot. It was quite of a walk from the parking lot, and then getting up here and then do all the stairs and everything else. So I did get to see the waterfall. It was pretty. I saw it from the Eagle's Nest, which I took the elevator to. So yeah, I'm being lazy and I'm not doing the whole walk, but it's hot.
See any fish?
Nope.
What's up there?
It's like a creek.
Is that where you can get in the water?
You can just like walk in it, like you can put your feet and ankles in it and walk in it.
Does y'all do that?
No, we didn't pick up our shoes.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Hey, come on, you can come through. Right there's good on that next one.
Oh, vamos a ir a andar en el agua.
¿Dónde?
En
I see the 1858, that's the restaurant. So if you had dining reservations, they'll take you up there. Oh, the little waffle thing already closed. Let's see the prices.
That's a beautiful Christmas tree right there.
That is a pretty tree.
That's real nice.
Yeah, popsicle is $5. Breezy. So pretty. So here's the Three Amigos.
Oh, I see it. It's up there.
Oh, okay, yeah, there it is. Okay. So here's Eagles Cliff. I don't know, where would it be? Here's the trail you can take. right, so we have to walk this little area to get to be picked up by the shuttle. And then here's the shuttle bus.